If you are a YouTuber with 10 or more thousand subscribers, this and the next 13 days can be your lucky days. This is because as a popular email marketing company's partner, I offer an 100% free service for 14 days. Here is also my YouTube channel where you can get more information about the service I'm going to offer you for free. But there is too much information here and you are going to get confused. Now, as you see in the image behind me, you have views for your content, and those viewers go and watch other people's content, which is kind of competitive at your niche. So, if you sell something, they go and buy also from your competitors, and you also lose views because some of them may start watching more your competitors' videos. If you use, however, email marketing, you are going to capture email addresses from your viewers and you can send them emails for your new content. So you are going to redirect back at your YouTube channel more viewers. With other words, you can just capture your audience, collect emails, redirect traffic, and stay competitive. And imagine that you can capture, as time passes, thousands or even tens of thousands of email addresses from your viewers. Once you capture those email addresses, such as some people have captured your email address, because if you open right now your phone, you will see that you receive emails. Why do those companies get your email address and mail you? Obviously, to make more money. Now, if you do the same for your YouTube channel, you are going to build more trust. And as you build more trust, you are going to make much more sales with your products, services, community, and of course, affiliate offers. Now your audience will trust you more because they will start reading emails that you send to them with valuable content. The most important thing about email marketing is that it won't need much time. This is because you can just compose an email and with the help of AI if you want, but I always suggest to use your own twist and your own way of writing emails because if you are using just AI, it will be a repetitive pattern that everyone uses and it won't have much an effect. Now, the best thing about email marketing is also that you can scale and profit a lot because if you gather thousands or even tens of thousands of email addresses and then you just compose an email with a coupon, for example, for your products or services, different other discounts at certain dates, and of course, new launches or affiliate offers, then you are going to make a lot of money just by composing 3, 4 emails and send them to your audience. If you click the link down in the description of this video, or perhaps if you see a button on this video right now and you can click it, you will see this page right here, which has an introduction video and then reviews from my clients. Then click any of those green buttons. After clicking any of those green buttons, you will see my 100% free email marketing course where on the part 1 I show you how you can buy a domain name if you don't have one and set up correctly your professional email account. If you already have a domain name and the hosting, then I can do the work 100% free of charge inside your hosting. If not, I give you a great discount to just sign up and get a hosting, and then I'm going to do again the work for free for you. On the part 2 of the training, you will see how you can set up your email marketing system by yourself and sign up 100% free of charge for 14 days to my favorite email marketing company. Now, of course, once again, I can set up everything 100% free of charge for you. And if you see that you are satisfied from the work, then I give also great discounts and you can start just from 13 bucks per month. To reach out to me, if you see a button right here where you clicked to visit those pages, you will find my email address on the top of this page. If not, and you watch it as a YouTube video, then just check the description of this video. All you need to do is just mail me, hey, this is my YouTube channel, and I'm going to reach back to you.